How to read a string from console in Python. You can use input built-in function to read a string from console which is entered by user. Call input built-in function. This function returns the value entered by user in console as a string. You can store the returned value in user input variable. You may print this value to output. Save and run the program. A prompt appears in the console. Enter some text and input enter or return key. This enter or return key marks the end of input. The user input is read by the program and printed to the console output. You can also prompt the user with a message. Pass the prompt string as argument to the input function. Save and run the program. The given prompt is displayed to the console and cursor waits for the user input. Enter some text and input enter or return key. The user input is read by the program and printed to the console output. This is how you can read a string value entered by the user in the console input. Concluding this video, we have seen how to read a string from user and display it back to the output. We have also seen how to display a prompt for a user input. In the examples, we have just print the user given string value to output. Instead of that, you can use it in your logic based on the requirements. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.